folks. Last video I showed you this. Now, I'll put this here. And I got another tool. I don't normally buy these, but this is a, I don't know what this says. Something, whatever, patent, whatever. But I bought it because it's one of those perfect handle thingamabobbers, and looks like somebody beat the shit out of it. But it looked like a pretty fun kind of, doesn't move or shit. Looked like it could be a fun restoration if it comes apart. I don't know. I don't really buy these things. Patented something, I don't know. There's no way to read this thing. Vapor rust again. It doesn't appear that there's any way to get this off here, because if there is, I don't know. It's obviously going to come off here somehow. So I would assume there's a pin right here. So I'm guessing you knock the pin out, or in or out, or cut it off or something, and it comes out. It definitely needs a little TLC, because look, she's a rusty. Somebody abused. I'll have to grind this flat, grind that flat. There's lots of rust on it. It doesn't move very far. Doesn't move at all, really. It could use a little bit of TLC, total. But check out the handle. It's one of those perfect handle ones, and it's not a perfect shape, but I figure file this around a little. This part doesn't need much. There's a pin in here, which I'm guessing if you were desperate and peen that pin out, and then there's another one probably here. Probably would be good, but it doesn't. I mean, if I just shave it off a little, enough to match each side, it should work. It should be fine. Or I should just not touch it. But anyway, I should show you the words in case somebody knows who makes this, or in case I could read it later. That's what it says on the side. So, if you like old tools, stay tuned. I got one more. Maybe after this. Enjoy.